Well, a fairly decent day today. Anyway, I got in here and I checked the reservoir and I had fluid for the front calipers. So the calipers are fine. It appears the only thing that failed was the wheel cylinder back here. I've bled it a little tiny bit. Appears to be empty there at the moment. I'm going to tighten it back up, check the brake pedal feel real quick. Alright, pedal feels good. Dropped it back down on the ground. I mean, the suspension hasn't settled in. It doesn't have that much clearance by default. It's going to drop down once I move the car. But, yeah, let's take it out and see what's up. Get that brake pedal down there, huh? How's that feel? Not bad. Right. Brakes grabbing pretty good, pretty good. Do that again. Oh yeah, solid. Brakes, good brakes. Do something about the carpet down the footwell. Something's come loose, it's grabbing my foot. Ooh. Brake squeal and rust. I can hear the rust. Planning on buying a couple of things to make doing videos that are drive-along videos a lot easier to deal with. No more handheld camera crap. I'm gonna get a suction cup. I'm gonna get a multi-channel audio camera, and I'm also gonna get an inverter so I can plug my laptop in. And then I can run the camera through the laptop and I'll have like unlimited video capacity. I can also stick additional microphones into the laptop that I can't do with my camera. It'll make it easier to do audio, as this little camera really doesn't do the car justice. Boom, yeah, feel those brakes. Awesome. Let's see if I can get it to bark. Let's see if I can get it to skid right here in the driveway a little bit. Oh yeah, there we go. Stopping power. Alright. Let's see how the suspension's dropped down. Yeah, it's about right. It's looking good. Let's see if I marked my spot. Look at that. Doesn't hardly even drip any oil. I mean, there's definitely some, but it's not terrible. Anyway, once the camera settles down, yeah, there we go. I think that one's about ready to drive. Maybe I'll take it fishing here in a day or two.